Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, welcome on in. Another check of the radar. Still some severe thunderstorms ongoing across the southern and southeastern part of Kentucky this evening. Time now 10:20. We're going to zoom in a little closer. A lot of lightning with these storms. All of them all day long, back into the afternoon through the evening here, have been prolific lightning producers, which is one of the leading weather-related killers every year. But it doesn't make a storm technically severe. For that to happen, you need winds 58 miles per hour, stronger, or large hail to the size of quarters or larger. Well, what we have ongoing here is the potential for damaging wind gusts 60 or higher. And there was and still is a destructive severe thunderstorm warning in place for Perry County till 10:30. That also goes for portions of Knott County until 10:30. That is a step up, a different category to a severe thunderstorm warning, and that's where potential exists in that part of the storm there, where we could be having gusts over 60, maybe as high as 70 miles an hour going through Perry County in Hazard. We were seeing some radar signatures showing that. Now, farther to the west, the line goes back into the northern part of Leslie County. Already some lightning and thunder into Hyden right now, but as that part of the storm keeps going south and riding the Hal Rogers Parkway, some gusts even into Hyden could go up to 60. Back into Manchester, Clay County, also back into Laurel County. Severe thunderstorm warnings there also until the bottom of the hour. But the farther north and west that you live, Lexington, central Kentucky area, we are done with the storms for a while. Yes, we have some rain. Yes, we may have a couple of claps of thunder here or there, but the bigger storms have moved south, and they also continue to work their way south. They're moving due southeast at about 35 miles per hour. They will be out of our viewing area within another hour, hour and a half's time. Behind that, though, we could see some additional storms that start to fire back up late tonight, but likely closer toward dawn tomorrow morning. In the wake of those showers and storms, cooler air has moved in, 70s for us to the north, but rain-cooled air has not made it down to southern Kentucky in places like, look, Adair County, Wayne County, McCreary County, lower 80s right now because you've yet to see any storms. I mentioned some more storms late tonight into tomorrow morning as this front just slowly works its way down to the south. So yes, some more storms possible for Monday, especially for the first half of the day. During the afternoon, yes, more scattered storms fire, but here's the good news. Finally by Tuesday, hallelujah, we're finally going to get a break from the rain, but waiting up here to the northwest, yeah, that's another cold front that's coming in for late Wednesday into Thursday. Severe weather outlook tomorrow. The greatest risk is south because that's where a lot of the storms are going to be by the time we get late in the day tomorrow. So tonight, storms are gradually going to fade. The ones to the south, southeast. Now, as we get closer to 4 or 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, we could see some more storms moving back in. Tomorrow, 85 to 90 degrees, scattered storms around. And then after that, I mentioned a moment ago, by Tuesday night, a late day chance for rain Wednesday, and then scattered storms Thursday, Friday. But look at this, Allie. We actually bring our temperatures back down into the lower 80s, maybe some overnight lows next weekend into the 50s. All right, stay there. We're back after the break.